Experience the wonders of space while you sleep or chill. The perfect product for space enthusiasts. Welcome to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. This is Enoylity technology. And before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. This is the Pococo Galaxy Projector, an enchanting contraption that magically metamorphoses your everyday living space into a celestial wonderland, where the stars themselves dance upon your walls and the cosmos unfurls its secrets before your very eyes. Made with 7 special lenses and incredibly clear images, the projector has up to 2 million pixels. It uses 5K Ultra HD pictures taken from space to create a large and lifelike projection that covers an area of 130 square feet. This means you can enjoy the beauty of the universe right from your home. Before moving ahead, let's unpack this. So at first, we see some paperwork, coming with user guide manual, 2 projection discs, USB-C charging cable, and beneath this is our Pococo Galaxy Projector. The Pococo Galaxy Projector is like a round planetarium for your home, and it's set on a stand that can tilt 60 degrees forwards and backwards. You can actually spin the whole thing around in a circle 360 degrees. The 60-degree tilt of the stand is specifically designed for pointing it towards the ceiling or high up on the wall, which is where most people would prefer it anyway. The Pococo Galaxy is a simple, pleasant shape. Here on the top, we have a focusing ring, through which we can adjust the focus of the projection according to the distance of the ceiling or wall. The ideal distance is 2.5 meters with a 12-meter squared projection area. At the bottom, we have a charging slot and 3 buttons: the power switch, rotation switch, and timer button. Here, we have 3 times mode: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. On battery, this will last 6 hours. 2 hours will automatically shut down to save energy. Now let's talk about the projection disc. Changing between the discs is simple. They only go in one way, so you'll always have the image displayed correctly. They're a bit small, which can make it a bit tricky, but it's not a big issue. Just press the projection disc tray and it will pop out. Follow the instructions mentioned on the tray and change it. Additional discs come in a handy storage box, which can easily be stored on a bookshelf. Here we have more than 18 projection trays to check out: Purple Fuji Mountain, Alpine Aurora, Santorini Sunset, Pyramid Sky, Maldives Memoirs, Starry Beach, Underwater World, Jellyfish World, Aurora and Wells, Aurora Forest, Aurora Borealis, Aurora Australis, Black Hole, Moon Phase, Moon in Space, Full Moon, Meteor Shower, and Andromeda Star. So, this was everything about the Pococo Galaxy Projector. I hope you guys loved this video. Do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and do tell us which projection you loved the most. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.